There we go. We have Doug in the house. No, we don't. Okay, well, thank you so much for joining us for our CEG special. We decided to make a little celebration because we reached a milestone. We have 25 community verified projects, and we are very proud of it. We began in April. Our first episode was April 19th, to be exact. So we came a long way, and but I would say that we are just getting started. Obviously, we have many more things to do, and more projects are coming in. Our Twitter is on fire. I love to see you guys reacting and responding to our tweets on our Telegram chat, group chat as well. So it's great to see your engagement, your voting. That's it makes us feel that we do it for some reason, and it works. And it's awesome to see how people are engaged, and you want to be involved in Metis and be involved how Metis is looking, and that's what we are. That's what we want to do, right? We are going ahead to decentralization, right? We want everybody to have a voice, everybody to be a part of governance, so everybody can decide how is this space looking, how is this ecosystem looking. Right, so yeah, we started April 19th, and so far we had episodes almost every week, as you know, and we are trying to get you two projects a week. Sometimes it's just one, sometimes it's two, but we are trying to keep it interesting. And now, without further ado, I think we will just jump into conversations with our projects, because that's what we are here for. We want to hear from them, what they are up to, and also what do you think about CEG? Like, what is your experience? How do you feel about it? How did it change your life? But yeah, just maybe give us a quick update what you're up to, what are your news updates with your projects. We are super happy to hear from you. So I don't know who'd like to go first. Maybe you can raise your hands, and I'll try to give you the mic, let's say. I can see. Okay, let's try one of our newest CVP, Polaris. Let's see, are you... Hello.
Hi there.
Hi, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you. And great to meet all the other projects around here.
Awesome. Tell us a little bit about your experience with CG, with Metis, and also what is Polaris up to?
So yeah, we had a wonderful experience with all the team at Metis. We especially talked a lot with Doug, all the team there, met a lot of other projects, and then yeah, today we do have a special announcement to make to our holders.
Drumroll, please.
Yeah, so basically, Polaris NFT is all about utility, and we just added one utility for everyone who already is part of the orders. We just airdropped now half an hour ago to Polaris PFP Ethereum collection to every one of our holders there. So those are already listed on OpenSea, and for every new people joining us, they be able to claim it. We have a lot scheduled for the Polaris collection and a very special alpha group with lots of KOLs we know from Twitter there. So you'll see more and more bears changing the profile picture as of now, and I'll be really happy to share the word about Polaris and Metis on the Ethereum community.
That's awesome, guys. That's great. So where we can see this information is on your Twitter. Where can we follow up for more info, or maybe on your Telegram? What would you say? What is the best way to connect with you guys?
So actually, this is the first moment we are sharing the news, and as of now, you'll see it basically everywhere. We have a lot of people changing the PFP right now for to unleash all the bears that we have, and we're really looking forward to onboard more and more people from the Metis community.
That's amazing. You guys, we are honored. We are the first one to hear it. Thank you so much for this news. We'll make sure to follow up, and we'll be tracking what's going on with you. We'll be promoting as well, so you can definitely see it on our Twitter. And yeah, we'll try to make a big hype of it. That's super exciting. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Looking forward for the space.
Great. Okay, now next one, I can see Delicious Hummus is with us. Hello, hello. Your speaker, but on mute.
How about that?
Yes, now it's busted.
All right, great. Thanks for having us. So I wanted to comment first on the CEG program. You asked how it's been, how it's affected us, and it's really been great. It's kind of given us a lot of confidence in what we're doing. We don't have to wonder if the Metis community is down with what we're doing. We now know they are, so we can have that in the put that in the back of our mind and focus on just providing more utility for the community. So it's been a really exciting week for us. We recently became the #1 TVL project on Metis, and we're growing so fast. We have our
congratulations.
Yeah, thank you. And we have our Metis rewards are live. Our APYs right now are silly. They're like almost 50%. I mean, it's kind of like a dream state almost. We're just really, really excited to be a part of it and to be here and be doing so well. It's all just super motivating. It makes us excited, and hopefully that translates to making the community excited.
That's awesome. And I think you guys are running right now. How is that going? Your marathon, I mean.
I'm sorry?
Your marathon, I meant.
Yeah.
You're running in the marathon. How is that going?
Yes, good. Always something to keep us on our toes.
I know, right? Awesome. Thank you so much. Is there any other updates you want to? Well, TVL is amazing, and you are developing and running in the marathon. So anything else you would just add? Or
yeah, those are the really exciting those are really exciting things for us. I mean, otherwise I have just a couple, like one thing that we've talked about on other AMAs and such that's coming is we're reworking our haircuts on hummus to redistribute fees to our LPers and VHUM holders. So that's something that we're continuously really excited to provide for people.
Okay, awesome. That's great to hear. Thank you for being with us.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you for growing, and yeah, excited to see what you're going to bring next.
So are we. Thank you.
Thanks. Next up, we have Nica from Forward Protocol. Let me just bring you in. Okay, are you here with us? Connecting. There we go. Hi.
Hello.
Hi, how are you doing?
Very good. So I'm super excited to be here with the program. It's been epic. I think Metis is one of the most helpful chains out there, and the way they have been contributing has been helpful because of the quality of insights and the time spent in understanding and helping the projects in the ecosystem. So thank you very much for that. To give you
thank you.
To give you a quick update from Forward, we are pretty excited about the kind of existing applications that we have. In short, we are WordPress for Web 3.0. So there are many different applications that people can deploy through us in Metis and the chains of their choice. But we are right now putting up a public beta, which is opening access to developers. So now, as more developers flock in, the amount of templates in the library that can be deployed is going to be so much. Right now, it's all limited to what we do, but at that point in time, it's open for all, and we are super excited about all the possibilities of what templates would be there, and all of that can be deployed on Metis and for people, businesses, and creators to start using it and bringing it to life. So we are very happy to act as a gateway to bring in new end users and dApps from people who cannot actually code, using Forward as their drag and drop deployment solution. So we are pretty thrilled about the upcoming public beta launch.
Wow. Okay. So you're helping people to bring to, you can say that you are like a liaison, right? You're helping people to get in.
Exactly. I mean, businesses and creators, they cannot wait for developers or search for developers. They are, too hard to find. So making it easier for them
Sure.
with solutions that they can drag, drop, and use and get their ideas to life on chains that make sense for them.
That's great. That's great. Yeah, this space can be sometimes overwhelming and is very complicated for me as well sometimes. So yeah, so any support is really appreciated. It's great to see. Great to see that you're guys here, and thank you for being on Metis with us.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Great to be here and contributing to what we're all building together.
Thanks so much. Doug, are you here?
I am, guys. So
Finally.
sorry about that. I think everybody that's used Spaces can know it can be have some issues, but everybody probably knows me just from being the host of live streams. I have a good intro that I prepared, but I don't want to kind of derail the flow of the conversation. But I just want to thank, of course, all of the two people really, our community and our developers, because that's what the program was designed for. It's really evolved over the past few months, and we just wanted to celebrate everybody that's participated. 25 is a pretty big milestone, and the program really has changed and will continue to evolve and improve. So we're just happy to kind of be the bridge between our business development and marketing team.
Well said, as usual. Okay, so I think we can proceed to the next project. Let's see what our newest CVP has to say. Vast, are you there? Vast Metaverse, guys, this is so cool. You have to check it out. It's like this magical world. Okay, connecting. Let's give them a few seconds. Hello.
Hey everyone, how are you doing?
Hi, I'm great. How are you?
Good. So excited to be here, and very honored to be here in the latest batch. We are this project Vast is a rebrand of a project that started in February. So some of you might be familiar with Star Ledger, and so Vast is the next evolution of Star Ledger. And so basically it's a space themed metaverse, and we're launching it on Metis, and Star Ledger is still going to be around. It's going to act as like the deed for ownership of stars and planets. But yeah, we're really excited. We're working with a lot of projects on Metis to bring presence to the metaverse, and yeah, just really have a really cool place to hang out and watch shows, see bands play, go shopping, play games, a lot of fun stuff like that.
Great. Yes, I was about to ask what can you do in Metaverse, because it sounds super cool, but you just answered my question.
Yeah, like basically anything you can do in the physical world, you can do in this virtual world and more. But yeah, I mean, we have been so fortunate to be part of the Metis family for a while now, and to be officially launching, Vast with this partnership is huge for us. Metis as technology is amazing, as an organization. Everything you do for us and for the community, you really help push things forward, and in a lot of very innovative ways, and we're just so thankful to be building on such a cool network.
Ah, stop it. Tell me more. Great. Thank you so much for being here with us on this special occasion. And yes, actually, you are one of the reasons that we are here. You are the last project to join us. So welcome to the family.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks so much. Next up, I would like to bring one of the first, that this was the last, and now we have one of the first CVP projects, which is NetSwap. NetSwap, are you there? Connecting. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Thank you so much for being here.
Hi, everyone. I'm so glad to be here. Yeah.
Hi.
Yes. Can
Great.
you hear me?
What can you tell us? Yeah, sorry?
Oh, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Oh, okay, great. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I can hear you.
Okay, cool. Yeah, it's a great honor for us to be one of the CVPs of the CEG program. Yeah. It's
one of the first CVPs.
Yeah, yes. It really helped us to broadcast what NetSwap is and what we are going to do. So yeah, so here I want to update some news of NetSwap recently.
Oh yeah, please.
Yes. As you can see, we are having a meme contest recently, and there's an interesting part in this contest. We just mentioned that winners will have an opportunity to mint some NFT, specific NFT badges on Matrix. So I thought it's an interesting part for people to notice. We are going to have a program of NFT badges, and NFT badges holders will unlock some surprises in the future on NetSwap. So
Nice.
yeah, and there will be more campaigns like Metis contests to increase our community engagement. So and help improve the branding of NetSwap in the future. Yeah, I thought it's interesting for us to do such marketing things, right? And yeah, and the second one is that we are going to optimize our staking page or the staking system. We want to aggregate the use case of NET token so that people can be able to to use nets in more interesting ways. I suppose it will the interface of staking net will be more friendly and easily to use. Yeah, that's and the last part is that we are working on the VNet token. Yeah, it's similar to the VCRV or Vim Home produced by Hermes recently, right? Yeah, it's similar to them, but we have another some interesting mechanic of the VNet token. So I suppose everyone can expect the release of that, right?
You guys are busy.
Yes. Yeah.
I love it. I love it. I love when I hear it will be more user friendly and easy to use. That's what I love to hear.
Yeah.
And also, thank you so much for bringing up Matrix and NFT badges and reputation power. This is something that we are very proud of. We recently launched our Matrix reputation power system. It's something that we really, really want to push and make everybody aware of, because it's an amazing way to keep everybody, accountable, but also you can earn so much. You can create your own profile in Web3. You can work on your reputation, and it doesn't matter where you're coming from, how much money you have in your wallet. It's just about your achievements and how which projects are you engaging with. And so this is a very, very big subject, and I don't want to take up too much time because this is CEG special, not Matrix special. But thank you so much for bringing that up.
Yes, thank you.
All right, then. Let's move on to our next projects. I can see Revenant is here with us. Hello. Hello. Is anyone there? Muted.
I'm here.
Thanks, Doug. I'm not alone.
Hello.
There we go.
Hello. I think hello everybody. I think Twitter Spaces was playing up a bit.
As usual.
We have the same experience in our AMAs, unfortunately. I want to start by welcoming all the new CEG members that we have seen in the past weeks and months, and also a warm hello to all our partners, which also, by the way, is extending an invitation to all the new CG members that who we haven't partnered up to actually get in touch with us, because as you guys know, we are really trying to make a strong front within the, let's say, I'm going to use the wrong word here, but the big projects in Metis. Please get in contact with us, and so we can make some cool stuff happen. Then also commenting on the, I think, CG program. Everybody knows here, but I think it's a great way of sorting out through the projects that really have a strong community, have a strong background, and they really can apport a lot into Metis. And I think this is a bit transitioning into our cool update for this month of September/October. So in our side, we are going to be basically launching two things which we have been working on for a long time, since after we started and we moved from AWACS into Metis. And the first one is our gaming Launchpad. We have been keeping it quite hush-hush, even if we have been hinting it. I think I actually posted in my Twitter account a picture of myself in Thailand with working on the PC, which had a hint of the Launchpad. Again, I cannot say too much right now, but we are going to have some very cool games on it. And also we will have some NFT tiers, which will allow the holder to enter different tiers in the pre-sale. Obviously, all this will be done, will be bought in GameFi, since we are really working on the utility of our token. And the other, maybe even more exciting part is the alpha of our game Battle of Olympus, which we are really getting to a point where it's ready to be playable. So we're releasing very soon a trailer and some unofficially announcing it, let's say. I suppose I'm kind of semi-officially announcing it here, but to all the speakers, keep it hush hush, guys. It's not official.
Too late. It's out there.
Yeah.
You say it to us, and we'll just spread it out. So, well, thank you so much for your updates. It's all very exciting.
It's kind of common for different EG participants to leak alpha, both during the live stream and then through follow-up AMAs or some of the co-marketing that we do. So we always love to kind of keep the community informed.
Yeah. I think Doug, a lot of alpha from us, but yeah, I think from time to time it's good to leak it, I think.
Yeah, that's the kind of beauty of the program, right? And it's initially designed for newer projects. You guys came from AVAX and kind of pivoted to Metis whenever you discovered us and saw the advantages of our transaction fees and our speed and everything else that comes with it. So, but just in general with the program, and one of the things that we really saw early on was that it was kind of a launch pad of our own to feature new projects and ones that might not have a strong backing or a community or history on other chains. There's been a lot of diversity as well with the program because we're seeing a lot of different infrastructure type projects. You've got GameFi Launchpad and bridges and it's really highlighting the wide variety of projects that really kind of build and grow an ecosystem. And so it's been really great to see the newer projects that go through and the community votes on them. And then as they kind of mature, and we're kind of along for the ride, providing our resources to, co-market with you guys or, provide advice and keep up with your timelines. So it's been really great to see the program really evolve like that.
Yeah, 100%. I think I think it was definitely a good move for you guys to launch the CG because we can see it in the chain that we are really getting a lot of good quality projects. And to be honest, I think obviously is also we are still in a bear market, and that's a lot of the reasons why we don't see so many. How can I say well, let's use the word like scammy projects. But for sure, right now there is a lot of quality projects in the Metis network, and that's something that also for us it makes us proud, really. To be in a network that is quality over quantity, so to speak, right?
Thanks so much. That's very nice. Doug, you wanted to mention something? Thanks so much.
Yeah, thank you much. I'm going for alpha dinner, so enjoy your evening.
Take care, buddy.
See ya, guys. Bye-bye.
Yeah, just to his point, that's kind of the early history of the program, and any new chain goes through a very, very similar issues in their life cycle where they kind of attract certain types of developers and projects that might hop around and not really dedicate a chain, and there can be possible security problems as well. So with that's what we saw with some of the projects that were coming through, and so we needed to take action and make a change to only allow quality projects to put our name behind and to co-market with. And it's really cool how it evolved because there's nothing really like this in the industry. Like it's a little bit of governance, a little bit of marketing, a little bit of dev, and I think as it continues to grow and evolve, the industry will take note. You'll start to see similar programs at different projects. And the other thing is the governance aspect. So it's just our community ecosystem governance program right now, where it's primarily the business development and marketing. But as it evolves, it's going to kind of grow into the overall governance of the MetisDAO Foundation and the different common and eco nodes. And we're going to be releasing more info on that. But this is just the start of our kind of quest for decentralization, and as it moves further down the line and different parts of our business get decentralized, this plays a key part. So
yep, well said. I think we'll bring, last but not least, projects. We have Dan from Dexpo, and then we can maybe move on to questions from the audience. So you can think now if you have any questions for anyone. We have also Beefy here, Tristan, Teddy's, Hermes, or maybe for the project that already spoke up. So yeah, we'll return to the audience. But Dan, the floor is yours. Hi.
Awesome, thanks. Hey everyone, it's Dan from DexPools. Super exciting updates from everybody. It's really cool to hear the latest and greatest, and I know that Metis and other projects have a lot coming in September. For DexPools, it's also very much the same, right? So September is going to be a huge month for us. Behind the scenes, we're working on several new products on top of enhancing our existing peer-to-peer trading platform. There's going to be very enlightening tokenomics coming out that are going to incentivize trading on the variety of products we're going to have. And just a little bit of alpha, and I know the Metis team knows because we've been working closely on this, but we've been looking very much at the synthetic assets and decentralized order book world. And I think we have a very novel set of technology that's going to help make trading easier, faster, and more fun for everybody involved. However, I have to keep a lot of the details close to the chest since our marketing team would kill me if I just start leaking too much here. But just for everybody here, September is going to be a huge month. So just stay tuned, follow our socials, and you'll see what's coming up.
Nice, exciting. Well, guys, keep eyes on the expos.
I know that feeling all too well, Dan, with keeping things quiet. Don't let your mom do that at you.
Well, it's understandable. You feel so excited about your projects. You want to tell everyone about it. But yeah, some things need their time.
Yep. You have to think super carefully about what I say. So good things will come, guys. Thank you.
We have a special announcement that we want to save towards the end. So I just want, and in case anyone wants to dip out early, you might want to stick around. But let's go.
Yes. Stay with us. We have one more project that wants to give us updates, which is Hermes.
Hey.
Hi there.
Hey, thank you for having us here. It's really a pleasure. Want to say that it's wonderful to work here.
Sorry. Oh, sorry.
No. No, we are actually launching the V2 in a couple of months, and we are actually working with a lot of projects here to grow. We're doing stuff with Uniswap V3 and the flywheel incentives to grow DeFi in general, and Metis, of course. It goes without saying. We're working with a lot of projects here to do that, and it really feels like a home, Metis. It's really nice to work here. It's a good community.
Yeah. That's so nice. It feels like home. I will use that in some tweet.
Yeah,
thank you so much.
No problem. You're welcome. Thank you. It's really nice to be here. Thank you.
Thanks.
Shout out to Nat. He's doing such an amazing job as a host.
Thank you.
We'll wait for the audience. We'll do the audience questions after this, but we want to get to this right now. So I talked before about the program being primarily for new projects, but then as it's grown and as we've kind of fine-tuned what happens after the voting ends and you get CVP status and kind of the benefits, and when we've got 25 different projects that we've been able to get feedback from, and it's gotten a lot better, and we've kind of been working with the co-marketing teams to really kind of refine the process. And in doing that, we were able to kind of attract even bigger projects that Metis would necessarily consider like a tier 1 project, and that we would partner with them anyway. And so people are starting to see the benefits of going through this program and getting exposure, introducing like a formal introduction to the community, and the hype that goes with it. So with that being said, we're going to announce that SushiSwap's going to come through the program. We've already partnered with them, and they're live, and you know, I'm sure you've seen the content about tried it and everything like that. But this is just kind of another opportunity to highlight them and really kind of announce the community that they've arrived and go through the formal process. And we expect other big names as we kind of grow our ecosystem to also want to go through the program as well. So we're really excited about it. We've got a good episode that'll be coming in the next few weeks with them. And we just wanted to also let them speak as well. They're in the chat. I think, Nat, you'll have to do it to make them speaker, but maybe they could say why they joined the program or what they're excited about.
Sure. I would need you to request to speak. For everybody, oh, that's a good moment. For everybody that doesn't know how to request to speak, you have to be on mobile Twitter. It doesn't work on a desktop for some reason. So you have to be on your mobile, and then you have to request to speak, and then I will approve you. So I don't see anyone from Sushi yet. Let me double check here. Okay, they need few seconds. So let's give them a few seconds.
Out there, if you could create like a decentralized Web3 DeFi Twitter Spaces that works really good, I'll have you on next week.
Yes, please. Twitter Spaces is killing us. Okay, well, they are trying to get in, so let's give them a few minutes. But in the meantime, I see other projects requesting, so why don't we give them the floors while we wait for Sushi, which is amazing, by the way. So happy that they're joining CEG. So how about we'll hear from Tebis? Hello, Tebis. Are you there? Hello.
Yeah, now it's working. Hello.
Yes, it's working. Hi.
Oh, it's so exciting to be here. We don't do these things quite often in Metis, and every time you invite us, it just warms my heart. Thank you so much for having us.
Always,
Yeah,
always. Tebis and Metis always best friends forever.
Yes. Because last time I was speaking to you guys publicly, of course, because we're in touch like pretty much every day.
Yes.
At the live stream of the CEG, and let me tell you, it was one of the smoothest experiences of onboarding the projects to the ecosystem I've ever experienced, I've ever witnessed with my two eyes. So props to you guys. That was great. You got the plan, we organized everything. It just took 1 week of our time. It was great. It was great. So thank you. And as we're launching, preparing to launch our Launchpad, we're talking to a lot of projects. Of course, you gotta find the good ones. And every time it comes to the CEG, we'll say you gotta be welcomed into the family. So you gotta go on the live stream. You gotta say your name. You gotta explain what you want to do. And every time we receive, oh yes, so actually, Metis people and Metis team, they care about your project, and we're like, yes, that's the entire point. You're very welcome. So yeah, that was our CEG experience, and that's what I wanted to share with everyone who's going through the process, has an application pending right now. It's gonna be great, guys.
Try it out for yourself.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I have this idea now. We have to like take all these amazing things that you guys said and just to make this as one audio
Just
that I
clip
will
it.
listen
Yes.
over and over.
Yes.
Smooth experience, feels like home. Amazing. And I'm just the affirmations. Thank you so much.
Yes, just clip it and send it to the people. Send it out in the world. Every time there is an application, they'll just receive the clip of everyone just talking about the CEG program.
Love it.
Amazing, love it.
Yeah.
Do you have any updates from your side?
Yeah, we
want
wanted to share with everyone. So basically, we're focused on the Launchpad for now, but we figured out it's all the projects are gathered here right now. We'll be launching more leveraged farms for partners of Metis. And that means there will be a sushi farm, for example. And everyone else, every project who's past CAG and all of that is very much welcome to get in touch. We'll figure it out. We'll get you a leveraged farm. We'll partner up. We've got a decent community, not the size of the Metis community, of course, but we've got a couple thousand people with us, and we'll do the marketing.
That's decent.
Yes, it's decent. We're closing on 10K.
Very good.
We're closing on 10K. We're hoping this month, maybe September will be our month. We're hoping for that. So yeah, we'll do the marketing. We'll do all of that. So if everyone is looking for such an opportunity to put their token and enable the community and their holders to leverage farm with it, that's us. Come to us. So and yeah, as we're waiting for sushi, hi sushi guys, we're doing a farm with you, hopefully.
Amazing. Wow, that's super exciting. It seems like September is the month for everyone.
Oh yes, come on, you got the summer, you rest yourself, then you pick up a project and you go, yes, development now.
Yeah, that's true.
The builder's month, baby.
Yes.
It's like back to school, back to business.
Exactly that. So thank you for inviting us. And anytime you guys want us on one of the Twitter spaces, we're here.
Awesome. Thank you so much for your updates and for being here with us and on meetings. And I can see Sushi finally is with us. Some troubles, but along the way, but we are in. Hello. So excited to have you here.
Hey, Doug.
Hi.
Oh, it works.
Yay.
Thanks for getting me up on stage. And shout out to the previous speaker. That was pretty cool. And to everybody else, super exciting. Love the format. And yeah, just want to do a little announcement. We're going to join the program, which is super cool. Sushi, we have been deploying on Metis, our cross-chain swap, Trident, which is our multi-pool AMM. And we're ready to deploy a bunch of other products. As you know, Sushi has like a lending markets, AMM, cross-chain swap, and so on. Also DAO tooling recently. So on the product side, it just makes sense to deploy Metis, right? And grow a user base with a bunch of incentivized pools. But then about the program also, you know that Sushi has been really built and grown with the community governance. So we're super excited about this program, about this experiment really, right? About using voting not just for dev grants and proposals, but also as an engagement tool for the community for gathering ideas and sentiment. So we definitely will be watching closely and deploy more products on Metis. And for now, I guess, check out our pools, use our AMM, swap from different chains to Metis, get all your funds to Metis. And yeah, to all the other projects that are in the program, please check out our AMM, see if you want to host some pools, DM me, come out Discord. Yeah, we're happy to partnering up and starting some co-marketing if you want to.
That's so exciting. Thank you so much for being here with
Thank
us.
you too.
And thank you for the nice words and for your updates. It's super exciting. All righty. Well, we are almost an hour in, but we had some delay. So I see one more project is here with us wanting to give an update. So let me just bring them in. We have FavorTube and Sadoy. Are you there? Hello. You are on mute.
Hi, am I audible now?
Hi. Yes, we can hear you.
Okay. First of all, I would like to congratulate Metis for achieving this milestone, and experience and journey has been very satisfying. We are happy to be part of Metis family, we are poised to enhance the ecosystem with innovative technologies. And FavorTube, which is a decentralized file sharing and streaming platform on Favor P2P network. Its DApp has already been built. We have created a solid economic model connecting each and every platform user, making a good revenue cycle. NFT marketplace will be integrated in the future. NFTs will be used by content creators for crowdfunding. Then we have our own DAO mechanism to ensure that no bad elements or copyright infringement happens. Technologically, we have implemented access and authorization, which adds an extra layer of security and incentivize the system to ensure the availability of file, which is missing in IPFS. Then we have ant colony optimization, which will help FavorTube to play real-time HD quality videos, which is absent in BitTorrent network. Sharding of chain into many subchain to increase the TPS, and on-chain matching of provider and demander of storage and post verification on the store side to ensure consistency and immutability of the file. Yes, we are on target, and many VCs has already been pipelined. We are in talks with to get listed on several centralized exchanges.
Wow, guys, FavorTube is no joke. So much going on.
Yes,
Amazing.
and we have more developments coming in. We have some news. Mobile version of the DApp will release soon. We will initiate airdrop program to attract people to use our platform. And this is big. Separate operation team in India to make sure FavorTube becomes a household name over there. So yes, it's lots happening in the background.
Amazing. Great to hear that. Thank you so much for your update, and thank you for being with us in Metis. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
All right, guys, we'll be moving soon to the questions from the audience, so get ready. You can even start requesting now if you have any questions in your head. Before that, we have also Tristan here. Tristan also wants to give us updates. What's up? Hello. You have the mic.
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yes. Hi.
Hey. I hope everyone is having a great time here, and thanks for having us here, most of all. So, and it has been really great with Metis. Like they are one of our initial partners and help us in having the exposure and partnership to get us out there, which has really helped us. I think the whole program is a great way of building connection, getting your project started, and then there's this technical side of the Metis chain, like low transaction fee, speed, and which just matches our project needs. So, thanks again for being out there for us. And on to Tristan now. I will try to keep it short. So we are a SaaS provider. On the commercial end, we offer Web3 or projects tools to bring down acquisition costs while increasing the conversation, retention, and interaction with the community. On the consumer end, we offer quality of life features such as one-click transactions, making the whole thing much easier to navigate and a more enjoyable experience overall for everyone. And for a recent update right now, we have made a test version of Battle Royale game public on our Discord server where users can compete against each other and win tokens. Anyone can join us on Discord and take part in it. And thanks again.
Thank you, Tristan. More enjoyable experience for everyone. All right, and that was, I think, it for our project. Any questions from the audience? Guys, don't be shy. You can do this. I can do it, so you can do it. I think I see a Stability Protocol wants to speak. Are you still there? If you are, go ahead. You have the mic. Hello, hello. Stability Protocol. You are on mute, so if you want to speak, you have to unmute yourself. Or maybe they don't want to speak. Okay. Anyone else would like to ask something or add something? Maybe you just want to share your thoughts or ask questions to our projects, or maybe to Metis. We are here for you. Now is the time for your questions. Doug, I have a question for
When are you
you.
going to replace the host?
Huh?
When are you going to replace that guy in the live stream?
I was about to ask you a question. How are you enjoying hosting live streams?
Who knew this is my true calling in life? It's been great. You know, my role before was, you know, work with different projects on the biz dev team, and when this kind of program and role opened up, I kind of jumped at it just because it's kind of the bridge between, you know, the community and the different projects in our ecosystem of developers, and it's something new that really hasn't been really done, and it was such an opportunity to kind of really grow our ecosystem and kind of foster like a positive movement, and I really have enjoyed it. And to be honest, half the reason I enjoy it so much is because I have like the best co-host and right hand gal in that. Like you're the best partnership manager, and that one tester.
Cool. Thanks for that.
Okay.
Oh, there
I
we
guess
are. Hi.
Oh, hi. Thank you. I've been accepted since I got carried away. I was actually fixing something up somewhere else.
No worries, no worries.
Yeah, thank you. So I just actually have not much to say. I just actually want to appreciate, what you guys are doing on Metis, and it's really been a great help, and it has really helped us to make a good decision and plan to get on Metis. And we have been building so much on Stability Protocol, though we just coming up, but we've really been working so hard. The team, we've been working so hard and getting our things up there, and soonest, hopefully, not hopefully, definitely, we will also be one of the CVP project, community verified project on Metis, and we are so glad to join the good things you guys are doing, and we really appreciate you guys. Thank you.
Thanks so much.
Love that. We actually have been having a little and appreciate you guys for saying hey, but we've had a lot of that lately where sorry for that. I got a little kid and he is playing with a marble or something. We have a lot of projects that kind of develop in stealth lately where we don't have too much contact on the and they see the CEG program, they know what they have to do, and then they just come out of nowhere and be like, bam, we're here. And I think Polaris is a good example of that, and some others where they're ready to rock and roll, and they see the program, they know that's their like introduction, so they get everything ready up until that point. They throw a proposal into Candy Deck. We might meet for a prep meeting to get ready for live stream. We do the live stream, they vote, and next thing you know, this crazy good project that nobody's ever heard of is ready to rock and roll on our network. So I love it when I hear about kind of stealth launches like that, because it's happening often.
Yeah, that was awesome. Like, it was like bam, 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 done. made our job much easier. Okay, guys, do we have any questions? Last minutes, last moments, going once, going twice. You can raise your hand, you can request to speak. All right, I think we are good. Doug, do you have anything to add at the very end? Because I think we are ready to wrap it up.
No, I think I've said most of it. And just to clarify what the program is and isn't, I want to shout out all the projects that might not necessarily qualify for the CEG program. It's more for infrastructure projects. You know, there's several great projects that are deployed on Metis with amazing teams and vibrant communities that, for one reason or another, they just might not necessarily qualify. We don't really mean or intend to gatekeep. It's just this program is for a certain type of project to highlight those, you know, relatively low risk, very highly secure and infrastructure type projects. And there's a wide variety of different types of those, but for the most part, that's what the program is. But I just wanted to, I know that there's much more to our ecosystem than just these 25 projects. And I just want to let the broader, you know, Metis community know that there's a lot more out there, and go explore. And we know that we've got a lot of different devs supporting us, and we've got, you know, several that are getting in line to go through the CEG program, and we try to meter it once or twice a week. So it's continuing to grow, and we've got our certain criteria, but mainly just want to thank everybody for making it possible. The devs and the developer community for really like understanding the program, getting behind it, and now seeing how it really is a great thing. And of course, it wouldn't happen without the community, without your votes, without your questions, your feedback, your interactions with these protocols. Like it's kind of a circular economy. So just thanks to all that are involved, and especially to you as well, Nat. Like, we're a tight team, and it's been a really great experience so far. So thanks to everyone.
Yes, big round of applause to our amazing community. This wouldn't be possible without you guys. So thank you for being with us today, but not only today, just in general, for being active, for asking questions. We love to see you engaged. Don't be shy. If you don't want to speak to now, you can just drop a question in our Telegram chat. If you don't have our Telegram group chat, you can go to our Twitter and you can see the link there. If you don't follow us on Twitter, well, change it now. But no, you have to, because you are here in Twitter Spaces. Never mind. All right, guys, we'll wrap it up. We took much of your time, so thank you so much for being with us. And stay tuned for more. Tomorrow, another episode.